Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is your next 48 hours. It's going to be a collective reading. I've started taking New Year readings as well. You can check the description box. Um, let's go ahead. Let's start with the reading. Let's see what do we have for the next 48 hours. Okay. We have lovers. I'm going to clarify the cards first and then we will begin with the reading, okay? It's going to be in Hindi and English mix. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Hmm. Okay. So as the first card we got lovers. I do feel that there's a wish fulfillment for you guys, okay? Definitely there's a wish fulfillment for you, and I do feel that someone may ask for your hand, okay? And this person may want to have a very traditional way of asking for your hand, or if even if they're coming with an offer of love, they would want to talk to your parents, they would want to do things in the right manner. So I do feel that someone who is going to be a wish come true of yours, this person is going to come towards you, and probably this person has taken a lot of time to take an action, okay? Or they have been observing you from a distance, okay? ये जो person है ये बहुत time से आपको definitely observe कर रहे हैं, and they're observing you in silence. They have been testing you, they have been very patient about this entire connection, and now I do feel that this person is ready to bring some kind of offer of love, because here I see a masculine hand and this is a feminine hand though. So the masculine is going to ask for that solid commitment from the feminine, and I do feel that even the universe is blessing this connection. Universe is going to support this person, but the only thing that I see is someone's stubbornness, and that is probably you. I don't know why, but I do feel that you guys can be like too moody, or you may act very moody, you may act very stubborn as well. थोड़ी immature energy भी मुझे ऐसी लग रही है. So this is specifically for the feminines. Feminines can act very in a very immature manner, in a very moody, and tantrums and all of this kind of energy can be there, okay? So make sure that you do not take things on your ego, okay? Make sure that you have gratitude for whatever you get, whether you receive it or not, but do not take things for granted. Then we have Two of Wands. I do feel that you will have a choice, okay? And this choice is about someone who has been too egoist, okay? Someone who has been too much into their ego, too much into their mind. This person is someone whose self-respect is very important to them, or their dignity is very important to them. They have some kind of image to show to the world, to the society. So this person can be a bit image conscious as well. But now I do feel that something is happening where this person is going to take a chance, where they drop their ego and they are going to come towards you. But at the same time, I don't know why, but I have a feeling that this person can be your karmic as well, okay? or this person may have been very unhealthy or probably is very unhealthy still, but they're going to take a chance. They will make a move. They will choose to not to bring their ego when it comes to this relationship, because they want to build something solid with you. Now we have Six of Wands. So here we have Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Seven of Swords. I do feel that some kind of happiness is coming in your life, some kind of victory is there in your life. Someone who has sabotaged you, or if they ghosted you, if they blocked you, or if they sabotage this connection, that was probably because they were sabotaging their own feelings towards you. They were not really coming to this acceptance that they like you, that they feel for you, that they are falling for you. But now I do feel that this person is going to communicate with a lot of intensity. So some kind of intense communication is on its way. Some kind of confession can also be there, so don't be surprised if someone confesses their love to you. Some kind of proposal can also be there, because this person sees your value. Okay, probably you have done something, or you have behaved in a certain manner where you have showed what you are, okay, and what your value is, what you truly deserve, what your worth is, and this person is now understanding your worth. Then we have Three of Pentacles, and with that we have Eight of Cups, we have Four of Swords, and we have Strength. See, I do feel that this is a bit tricky energy here, because I have a feeling that you are in a process of something, okay? And this process is about leaving the past, because somehow I do feel that you are still stuck in the past, okay? And probably even this person is stuck in the past. And I don't think that with this person it's some third party situation, but probably they have seen certain things in their family, okay? For some, I also feel that there can be some kind of suicidal cases or physical violence that this person has seen in their family, or you have seen in their family. I think this is coming more from your person and not you. So that is something that this person is going to leave behind. And with you also, I think you are leaving behind your past, and you want to heal the situation, you want to heal yourself, because you're understanding till the time you don't heal your present, you won't be able to have a healing future or a peaceful future. So that healing is definitely happening, and I think you are putting all your strength to make it happen as well. Now in your immediate future energy, we have Eight of Pentacles. So definitely I do see that someone is going to come towards you, because this person has certain regrets. They do feel that they have kind of missed out on certain opportunities when it comes to you. Probably you gave them a chance to speak, to express love, to to work on the relationship, but when you gave them a chance, they did not work on the relationship. But now they're understanding. I think this, you also came out, when it comes to this person, I think this person kind of not taking you for granted, but I would say that this person might have felt that you are very bossy, you're very dominating, or you're very opinionated and all of this. So your personality doesn't really matches with this person's expectations, okay? So you came as a shocker when it comes to this person, but now they're understanding your point of view, and they are willing to work on this relationship. And you are definitely dealing with someone for whom a strong stability is very important. So I don't think that you're dealing with someone who believes in some kind of hookup, one night stands and all of that. No, this person is not that at all. Then we have the Fool as well. So now I do see that there's a completely new person in the picture, okay? And here we have King of Cups and Queen of Cups. So here we have a divine couple, and with the divine couple we have Six of Cups, which means that you share a past life connection with each other, and there are very strong chances that you two will meet in this lifetime as well. You both will reconcile in this lifetime as well, and there's going to be a very deep relationship that you both are going to share with each other. It can be a new person. I very strongly feel that there can be a new person. I also am getting a message that those who are married, okay, you will see that your person is coming towards you. You will see that your relationship with your person is going to ascend on a deeper level. You both are going to heal each other's inner child as well. You both are going to heal each other on a very deep level. Okay, so your relationship with your husband or your wife is improving and is ascending to another level. Okay, with I feel that there's a lot of purity when it comes to this connection, especially those who are married. Okay, and for others, definitely there's someone who is coming into your life, and with this person, it's like you were meant to be with each other in past lives as well, and you're meant to be with each other in this lifetime as well. Okay, then we have Three of Cups, and with Three of Cups, we have Ten of Burden, 10 I mean, 10 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, and 6 of Wands. So I do see that there's a possibility. Okay, firstly, 1010 can be an important number. You might see 1010 a lot, okay, or 0101 also. But here, probably you were taking some kind of burden, okay, or you had certain doubts about your married life, whether you will have that solid stable relationship or not, whether you will have that solid relationship, a solid marriage or not, or you will find such a person or not. So universe is definitely gifting you, or universe is rewarding you with such a person or with such an energy. So you are definitely going to have a win-win when it comes to some kind of marriage or some kind of commitment. And if there's any kind of burden, that burden will be released from your shoulders. And I see you celebrating something very soon, probably next 3 weeks. And in the upcoming next 3 weeks, you will be you will have a reason to celebrate. Okay, it can be marriage, it can be commitment. It's like you will really enjoy your life. All right, then the last one, we have Knight of Cups, and with Knight of Cups we have Page of Cups, we have Two of Swords, and we have Queen of Pentacles. So like I said, that there is a possibility that there's someone new who is coming into your life. And even if it's a past person, the person that I was talking about, who has been observing you, or probably they did not really they did not understand you well, they did not take actions, or they did not put efforts. So this person can also be someone who is coming towards you, and they're coming with the offer of love. Okay, so definitely some kind of invitation, some kind of proposal is on its way, some kind of opportunity is on its way. But the only thing is that you might get confused. Okay, and so that you do not get confused, I would really say that you should do a meditation. For some, I also feel that you should be doing Honopono is what we say, right? So Honopono prayers is something that will really work, so that you don't hurt anyone's feelings, so that you walk on the right path, so that you do not make greedy choices, because you will be confused about something. Okay, there is going to be a matter of confusion, there's going to be a matter of dilemma, and you can be tempted by some kind of surface level offer or something of that sort. So you really have to tune into your body to know the truth about a connection, or to understand whether you should go ahead with this connection or not. So that was your reading. I hope it helps. Bye bye, take care.